Here's the Tallamenson Shopping Village. We've shown this place off a couple times before. They're actively tearing it down now. You can see they're actually building a new building over there where the Sears used to be. But yeah, you can't even get over there now. Active construction site. The one last store, the one last holdout, and it's gone.
Didn't take them long to tear that one down.
Tallamenson Shopping Village is no more. Officially. This is the old Sears Hardware. They really put the fast track on getting this particular spot done. Because there's lights on the inside and everything. And they're putting that together pretty quick. You can see the rest of the strip is still all torn up. This is the old Sears Hardware building, and it is pretty close to being done, I'd say. I forget what they're doing with this place. There's a page online talking about it, I think.